Marketing can feel overwhelming. Endless channels, tools, dashboards, and deadlines. Between building journeys, writing copy, and checking reports, it can seem like you need to be an entire marketing department all by yourself. What if there was a simpler way to think about it? 3 steps you could apply to almost any campaign or workflow. That's where the Imagine, Activate, and Validate framework gives you. It breaks down digital marketing and automation into a clear loop you can reuse again and again. In this video, I'll walk you through what each stage means in practice and how Active Intelligence can help you run this loop with less manual work. Let's start with Imagine. Imagine is where you translate business goals into clear strategies and ideas. Instead of jumping straight into a builder, you pause and answer these 3 questions. Who are you trying to reach? What do you want them to do? And how will you guide them there? In the past, this is where most marketers hit the blank page problem, staring at a screen, wondering where to start. With Active Intelligence, the Imagine stage starts with a business goal. You create a clear objective you want to achieve, whether it's growing your list or nurturing specific segments. For example, you might say, I want to grow my list by 1,000 contacts in the next 6 months. From there, Active Intelligence acts as your strategist. It takes that high-level goal and recommends the actions and marketing assets you'll need. For example, it can suggest what kinds of campaigns to run, which campaigns to use, and what kind of offers or content might work best. Active Intelligence then uses its creation capabilities to generate the subject line, the copy, and even the images, automatically applying your AI brand kit so that the tone and style matches your business. But the Imagine phase doesn't stop at that first draft. Once those drafts are created, you can make edits and fine-tune them. You don't need to leave your workspace to do it. You can also pull up the sidebar for in-context refinement. For example, you can ask it to shorten the copy, adjust the tone, you describe the outcome, and Active Intelligence handles the details. Once you've imagined the strategy, it's time to activate. Activation is about orchestration, not just execution. Instead of building everything by hand, you can simply prompt Active Intelligence to create the automation or campaigns or connections according to your strategy. Active Intelligence connects the logic and inserts the content you created in the Imagine phase. Orchestrating should flow directly from your strategy without having to rebuild every single little thing from scratch. The final stage is Validate. Validate is about measuring effectiveness, learning from the results, and feeding those insights back into your next Imagine phase. Instead of staring at a static spreadsheet or siloed reports, validation becomes a conversation with your data. With Active Intelligence, you can ask questions like, why did my open rates drop? Active Intelligence surfaces insights and visualizations so you can quickly see what's working and what isn't. But validation isn't only reactive. Behind the scenes, autonomous insights continuously monitor your performance, validate how your assets are doing, and suggest optimizations to help you reach your targets. That might look something like highlighting a segment that's ready for a different offer, or re-engaging contacts you haven't sent to in a while. When you put these 3 stages together, become a continuous loop. You imagine based on what you know right now, activate that strategy across your channels, and validate the results and feed those learnings back into your next plan. That framework is at the heart of Active Intelligence.
Check out these related videos and subscribe if you want updates on our channel. Thanks for watching.